if you've ever thought about learning to play one of these guys. Well, if you fancy it, I've got a brand new 1 week old school for you to come to. It's called skool.com. That's SKOOL, skool.com/harmonicamastery. And the reason I started it is because it's all about community. And I don't know about you, but I really like people. Well, some of them, not all of them. I like working with people, teaching people and having fun with the harmonica and the community. That's where I shine, I think. That's what I'm good at. Now that AI has come along and stolen all my 40 years of harmonica knowledge and made me obsolete, the community, I think, is the one thing I can do very well. So school communities are all about people. So have a look at it. I'll show you the inside of it in a second. Right now, because I want to get to 300 people quickly, it's going to be only £5 to join, or $7. Now this is a monthly thing. You can cancel any time. It's grandfathered, so that means that it will always be £5. So if you jump in now, it's a no-brainer, isn't it? I mean, why wouldn't you for £5? 5 measly pounds. It's not even a pint of beer, is it? And you can have that for a month, which means you're going to have 15 meetings with me. You're going to have access to loads of courses. You're going to meet up loads of students, as you'll see in a minute. We got students from California to Japan and everything, not everything in between, but a lot in between. And it's loads of fun, and that's the whole point. It's a fun thing to do. And you can comment, you can quote, you can post every day. So we've got rid of Facebook, we've got rid of Zoom. It's all within Skool right now. So this is the best thing I've ever built. Right now it's only £5 a month to join, or $7. In a few days' time, it's now the 8th of July. I reckon by this time next week I'm going to take this video down because we'll have 300. And at that point it goes up to $27 a month, or $37. So you'd be mad not to jump on it right now. You'd be crazy. Okay, I'll see you inside. So when you first come into my school community, you'll probably come to the About page. So a few videos about me. This will change as we go along. A few videos, one of Joe Felisko there, saying how brilliant I am. And this is Lee Oscar saying how brilliant I am. This is someone else saying how brilliant it is to learn the harmonica. And this is people saying how amazing the effect of learning is. It's taken them 21 days or 16 days. I can't believe what they've learned, that kind of thing. So read all about that. It's 95 members. We started this last week only. Risk here. Leaderboards, this is our, so I'm on level 5, and you get points. See these Pam's in the lead. You get points for being active. Maps, map, this tells you where our students are based in the world. So we're going from California to Japan. This tells you all the members, and this tells you all the calendar events. So for example, my session there Friday night. These sessions are the highlight of Ben's week. It's true, actually, I really love them. They're the only sessions where you can meet up with Ben personally, so please come to those. So all you do is you click that and there you go, boom, you're live. And all of these bubble groups, they're individual student groups, about 5 or 6 people. And then we've also got things like open mics here. That's a monthly thing. We've got a coffee morning here, and we just did a coffee morning. There's another coffee morning there, and I do a live YouTube live stream, and lots of other things. Lots of other things. That's the calendar. So you just click on it and you join. It's so much easier than Zoom or anything like that. Classroom, we're just building it at the moment. This has a certain amount of courses and lectures in it. So breathing exercises, the Hoochie Coochie Man, Get Chugging. We're using jambalaya to play along with Fats Domino. We're going in. And then we'll do a bit of chugging with Bob Marley, which I really like. So it's all good fun, train sounds. So that's the classroom. We're building up tunes on this. This is new, as I said, it's only a week old, the paint's still wet. So don't expect it to be perfect, but what do you want for a £5? And that one's not built yet. So, and then the community is here where you do your chatting. So you post here, you pick a category and you post here, and want you to post something, do something every day. People connect. There's 3 comments, 10 thumbs up, 3 comments on that one. I'll give that one a thumbs up because I've just read it. You see this is active, isn't it? Look, this is just from a few days ago. 5 days ago, it's 13 comments and 7 of those, 2, 3, 2, 3. It's active, so post something and you'll get a response. These are all the things we've done in a week. There's 109 posts in a week, so you can see it's quite active. That's it, I think. So if you'd like to join, sign up. This is it, skool.com/harmonica. All right, that's it. See you inside. Don't be late because this is going to run out in probably 3 or 4 days. We're going to have 300 people. Right now we've got 95. Probably, and today's the 8th of July. Probably we're going to have 300 by this time next week. And at that point it goes up to £27 or $37 per month. So that's it. Jump in now. You can always jump out later if you don't like it. It's no problem. You're only risking £5 or $7. Okay, that's it. So you've had a look inside. I've told you all about it. If you fancy doing it, then now is the time to do it. Right now, today, press that button instantly because this will be gone within a few days. If you're still seeing this, you caught it just in time.